Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your daily activities on Google Maps. Go ahead and open up your Google Maps app, click your profile on the upper right hand side, and you will find an option that says your timeline. Once you tap on that, guys, you want to go ahead and click in, for example, not now. You can just do that. And if you scroll here, you will see your activities. If you swipe up a bit, you will get to see it in more. And this is currently set to today, so you can scroll and see your daily activities. And this is basically my daily activities, what I was doing, where I went, and so much more. So this is how you can easily do it. You can always switch this from today to, for example, over the course of the week or previous day, and so forth. So if I want to see yesterday, I can, for example, tap on that and it shows yesterday, right? So that's how you can easily do it, guys. Another way to quickly view yesterday or previous day is to swipe to the right and you will see it. The more you do that is the more you'll see other days. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to check your daily activities in Google Maps.